back with another video. I haven't seen you guys in a minute. I've been so busy, guys. I just got back from Tennessee for you know, my sister's wedding, so now I'm back here dealing with school, dealing with work, so much going on in my life. But I decided to just jump on here, give you guys a quick update. The last video I posted got 3,000 views, so thank you very much to everyone that did watch and enjoy that. I got a lot of likes as well, so you guys are awesome. So I'm guessing you guys liked, enjoyed that interview type setting that I did, and it was awesome. It was really cool to get such good feedback from you guys. So anyways, in terms of the car, it's been running absolutely wonderful. I did actually end up taking it in and found out what exactly was causing the battery to die, and it's pretty funny that it's actually nothing wrong with the car, but it's something that I did. And here it is. This is pretty much the cause of all the problems I've had with the car dying and running out of juice. So pretty much through my cell phone plan, I got offered this T-Mobile device, which allows you to plug it into your car, you know, get a bunch of useful information, as in like location of the car, gas mileage, everything like that. It just kind of records all these things, and it also alerts you if anything was to happen. So when I got the car, you know, since it's my new baby, I decided to install it in this car. So I bought this off of Amazon, which is a ribbon cable for the OBD2 port, and it allowed me to tuck the you know, the little locator device here that plugs into the car behind the carpet. So that's exactly what I did. I kind of just hid it back behind the carpet and forgot about it. And you know, it just kind of didn't cross my mind when the battery died that had something to do with it. Because I've had it in my other cars and I never really had an issue with the Camry or the Mercedes. I plugged it into both those and it was completely fine. But for some reason the Challenger was just not compatible with it, because it kept dying every time it was plugged in. So pretty much after removing this thing, and this is what Dodge suspects was causing the issue, is the fact that this thing was kind of triggering the computer or something. It was just messing with the car in a way to make it feel like the car wasn't fully shut off, and it would you know, cause an electrical issue. So after removing it, I flew out to Tennessee. I came back, car started right up, no problems whatsoever, and here's a clip of that. You know, not even a little bit of a hesitation or anything. So that was pretty much it, guys. And then I got roasted a lot by many of you guys for not jump starting the car the proper way. And to be honest, I just really didn't know that stud next to the you know, the fuse box or whatever in the engine bay was used as a negative post. It just didn't cross my mind. And to be honest, like, that stud does not say anything on it, so it's kind of confusing if you've actually never read a manual or anything. How the hell would you know that that's a stud? I mean, just a random stud sticking over there. But I mean, I guess it was there for a reason. I just did not know what it was for. It just looked like a stud, and I didn't even pay attention to it. I didn't notice it before you guys commented and told me about it. So thank you to everyone that did comment and let me know that I was doing something wrong. You guys are awesome. And for all the people that hated and talked so much smack about the car, I guess this is an in-your-face, nothing's wrong with the car, my mistake. You can hate on me, but you really can't give Dodge any crap. They did a great job with this car, especially the way I drive it, and I'm enjoying the hell out of it. You know, this thing has just been an absolute trooper. I'm almost at 3,000 miles. I'm getting there, and the car's been perfect. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Just wanted to kind of give you guys an update. I know a lot of you guys were curious and you were offering helpful advice in the comments. That video has like 8,000 views now, so a lot of you did see it, and you know, you were trying to be helpful, and I really do appreciate that. That was awesome of you guys. And I wanted to thank everyone that has subscribed to the channel. The channel is slowly growing. We're almost at 850 subscribers, which is dope. You know, we're about to hit that 1,000 subscriber mark. I think by next month we should have it. And I really can't thank you guys enough. Like, this is my dream, to be making car videos and creating awesome content for you guys. And I'm actually starting to dedicate a little more time to it, to learning to edit and do things the way I want to. Hopefully I'm looking in the future to invest in better camera and audio equipment, stuff like that, so we can have some proper you know, content put out. thank you for checking out this video. If you did enjoy it, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel if you're new. Please guys, if you are new and you are watching my content and you do enjoy it, just hit that subscribe button, hit that little notification button next to a notification bell. It really does help me out. You know, it's kind of more motivating when you know more people are watching your content. So I really do appreciate it. And if you have any ideas for videos or anything like that, please leave them in the comments below, guys. I read all my comments and I try to respond to everybody that does message me. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you haven't already, check me out on Instagram at ReshSRT, or add me on Snapchat if that's your thing, at ReshSRT as well. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Rush and his SRT, and I'm signing out, guys. Peace.